hello. So I'm waiting to be picked up to go to a shooting range. Everything I'm doing is legal. This is for educational purposes and to show you what is available to do in this city. I have to show my passport when I get there, so it's all above board, and I will record some bits while I'm there. So I've just been picked up. Nice vehicle, and see you in a bit.
Very sensitive trigger, okay? Come on. And now shoot.
Wow, that was enjoyable. It cost me £70 and I fired a Mosba pump action shotgun, a Timberwolf .338 sniper rifle, an AK-47, a Glock, a Colt 45 and a Scorpion. It was enjoyable. I'm not endorsing violence or firearms of any kind. I'm literally just letting people know what there is available to do in Kraków. I would recommend it to anyone.